Top 5 Richest People in the World, Part 2. Billionaires play a pivotal part in helping impact the world, from political opinions to social and profitable reforms. Forbes puts the list of billionaires in the world at. Still, only a sprinkle, 10 to be exact, presently have $100 billion or further in net worth. Multitudinous of these billionaires are authors of technology companies, with importance of their wealth wrapped up in the companies they started. 1-2. Note that multitudinous billionaires are tested differently or not at each on their wealth, given that importance of their earnings are unrealized, meaning they've not sold any stock or equity, and thus, haven't had to pay impositions yet. As well, while some billionaires hold several billion bones in cash, multitudinous also have investments in private means, analogous as private companies, real estate, or other public companies. But since importance of the top billionaires' wealth is wrapped up in public equity, their net worth can change a lot from time to time. For illustration, Elon Musk, author and CEO of Tesla and the richest person in the world as of Dec. 8, 2021, has seen his net worth increase by $122 billion time to date as of Dec. 8, 2021, thanks in large part to the increase in Tesla shares, with shares of Tesla up over 46 time to date as of Dec. 8, 2021. 6. Sergey Brin. Age 48. Residence, California. Co-founder and board member, Alphabet. Net worth $126 billion. ABC Power stake 6. Other means $14.5 billion in cash 64. What makes Google unique, compared to the other companies featured on this list, is that its co-authors are fairly close in terms of total wealth. Sergey Brin's involvement in Google follows a similar path to Page's. After the Brace founded the company in 1998, Brin served as co-president alongside Runner until Eric Schmidt took over as CEO in 2001. Also, after launching Alphabet in 2015, Brin acted as the holding company's president before stepping down in 2019 when Sundar Pichai took over as CEO. In addition to being a largely popular quest machine, Google also offers a suite of online tools and services, known as Google Workspace, which includes Gmail, Google Drive, Google Timetable, Google Meet, Google Chat, Google Docs, Google Wastes, Google Slides, and farther. 67. In addition to software, Google also deals in a wide variety of electronic buys, including its Pixel smartphones, its Pixelbook computers and tablets, its Nest smart home buys, and its Stadia gaming platform. Brin spent importance of 2019 fastening on X, Alphabet's moonshot disquisition laboratory, which is responsible for innovative technologies like the Waymo driving motor cars and Google Glass Smart Specs. 68. He has also bestowed millions of pounds toward probing a cure for Parkinson's, and partnered with the Michael Fox Foundation to contrive new drugs against LRRK2, one of the top most heritable contributors to the complaint. Shockey Jr., 7. Mark Zuckerberg. Age 37. Residence, California. Co-founder, CEO, and chair Meta. Net worth $121 billion. Facebook ownership stake 13. Other means $3.4 billion in cash 70. Mark Zuckerberg first developed Facebook alongside fellow scholars Eduardo Saverin, Dustin Moskovitz, and Chris Hughes while attending Harvard University in 2004. As Facebook began to be used at other universities, Zuckerberg dropped out of Harvard to concentrate entirely on his growing business. Moment. Zuckerberg is the CEO and chairman of Meta, which had further than 2.9 billion monthly active stoners as of Q3 2021.7172. Facebook is the world's largest social networking service, enabling its stoners to produce a particular profile, connect with buddies and family, join or produce groups, and much further. As the website is free to use, ultimate of the company's profit is generated through advertising. Meta is also host to several other brands, including print-sharing app Instagram, which it acquired in 2012. Cross-platform mobile messaging service WhatsApp and virtual reality headset patron Oculus, both acquired in 2014. Factory, its enterprise connectivity platform. Portal, its line of video calling BIOS. And Novi, its digital carry-all for the Dean Payment System. 737475. Mark Zuckerberg. Image courtesy Getty Images Palmyra. Zuckerberg and his woman, Priscilla Chan, founded the Chan Zuckerberg Initiative in 2015, with each of them serving as co-CEO. Their charity seeks to work technology to fix societal ills, analogous as perfecting the access and quality of education, reforming both the lawless justice system and the immigration system, perfecting containing affordability, and eventually eradicating all conditions. 7677. 8. Steve Ballmer. Age 65. Residence Washington. Owner Los Angeles Clippers. Net worth $119 billion. Microsoft ownership stake 4. Other means Los Angeles Clippers, $4.78 billion in cash 78. Steve Ballmer joined Microsoft in 1980 after Bill Gates convinced him to drop out of Stanford University's MBA program. He was Microsoft's 30th hand. Ballmer went on to become CEO of Microsoft in 2000, taking over the position from Bill Gates. He held the position until he stepped down in 2014. As part of his term, he oversaw the 2011 purchase of Skype for $8.5 billion. 79. Ballmer owns an estimated 4 of Microsoft shares, making him the largest individual shareholder of the tech company. In 2014, shortly after stepping down as Microsoft CEO, Ballmer bought the Clippers basketball team for $2 billion. 78. Steve Ballmer. Image courtesy Getty Images Stephen Ferdman. Ballmer lived down the hall from Bill Gates, while the two were both attending Harvard University. Their brotherly relationship, as described by Ballmer, was strained. Still, when Ballmer started pushing the tech company into attack 80. 9. Larry Ellison. Age 77. Residence Hawaii. Co-founder, CTO, and chair Oracle. Net worth $109 billion. Oracle ownership stake 33. Other means Tesla equity and $17 billion in cash 81. After dropping out of the University of Chicago in 1966, Larry Ellison moved to California and worked as a computer programmer for several companies over the times. First, in 1973, he was an hand of the electronics company Ampex, where he met future mates Ed Oates and Bob Miner. 3 times subsequently, Ellison joined Precision Instruments, serving as the company's vice president of disquisition and development. 82. By 1977, Ellison founded software development laboratories alongside Oates and Miner, which, 2 times subsequently, released Oracle. the first marketable relational database program to use structured query language. 8.2 The database program proved so popular that SDL would change its name to Oracle Systems Corporation in 1982. Also, Ellison joined Tesla's board in 2018.83. Oracle is the alternate largest software company and provides a wide variety of PAL computing programs as well as other software, analogous as Java and Linux. And the Oracle Exadata calculating platform. 848586 The business has also grown through the accession of several major companies, including Mortal Resources operation systems provider PeopleSoft in 2005. Customer Relationship Operations provider Siebel in 2006. Enterprise Structure Software provider BEA Systems in 2008. And Attack and Software Innovator Sun Microsystems IN 2009.87. Larry Ellison. Image courtesy Getty Images Philip Faraoni. Ellison has spent millions in luxury real estate over the last decade, generally in California. Likely his most emotional expenditure, Ellison bought nearly the entire Hawaiian island of Lanai for $300 million, erecting a hydroponic estate and luxury spa there. 88 He has also bestowed millions of pounds to charitable causes over the times, particularly to medical disquisition. Most recently, in 2016, Ellison gave $200 million to the University of Southern California for a new cancer disquisition center. 89. 10. Warren Buffett. Age 91. Residence Nebraska. CEO Berkshire Hathaway. Net worth $104 billion. Berkshire Hathaway ownership stake 39. Other means $1.13 billion in cash 90. The most notorious living value investor, Warren Buffett filed his first duty return in 1944 at age 14. Declaring his earnings from his boyhood paper route. 91 He first bought shares in a cloth company called Berkshire Hathaway in 1962, getting the majority shareholder by 1965. He expanded the company to insurance and other investments in 1967. Now, Berkshire Hathaway is a half-trillion-bone company, with a single share of stock trading at further than $1 per share as of NIC. Considerably known as the Oracle of Omaha, Buffett made the majority of his fortune through copying shares in companies with easy-to-understand business operations. While multitudinous investors have been piling into tech companies, Buffett has decided for a more conservative approach, only buying from well-established companies that are easier to understand. Analogous as IBM and Apple. 9495 He is also a noted Bitcoin believer. 96 Also, Buffett has also outright bought a lengthy list of companies over the times, including Dairy Queen, Duracell, Geico, and Kraft Heinz. Outside of investing, Buffett has directed much of his wealth toward philanthropic trials. Between 2006 and 2020, Buffett gave down $41 billion, the majority of which went to either the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation or his children's charities. 98 Buffett launched the Giving Pledge alongside Bill Gates in 2010.